Hey, this is Onyx and I want to tell you about one of our best affiliates, one of the best marketers I know and have known for, I don't know, over 10 years. That's right, I'm talking about Patrick Chan. See, what I love about working with Patrick is that he is a results driven guy. This guy is constantly, all right, consistently generating amazing results. He's always on the cutting edge with marketing, no matter what time, no matter when. In the last 10 plus years that I've known him, he's always been one of the best of the best. So, if you have a chance to work with him, you need to run towards that chance. If you have a chance to have him, promote for you or promote for him, I'm telling you right now, the marketing will be excellent, the products will be excellent, top notch. I just can't say enough about Patrick. I'm a big fan. And Patrick, if you're watching, thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your friendship. Thank you for everything you do for this community. So I just want to make this video saying Patrick is freaking awesome. If you have a chance to work with him or do anything with him, do it. Don't even think about it. This is Onyx and Gall. I'm reminding you when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back and work with Patrick any opportunity you get. Any opportunity. All right? I'll see you later.